President Sampson, here's a short little video to maybe help you with what you're trying to do with sending out your slides to your students. Sorry if some of this is rudimentary. I'm just not sure what your knowledge level is on it. So if I'm in my PowerPoint, I'm just going to File, right? And I'm just going to come down to Share or Export right here. Export it. I'm going to create a PDF. It has to be in a PDF format to be small enough to send people's email. So that's the first thing you got to do, is just create a PDF, name it something, publish it, and then as soon as it's published, then you're able to kind of send a message in Wise, right? So once you have it published, you're going to come to your Wise login, and to log into Wise, I'm not exactly sure if you know how to do it, but if you just went to Wise2 or wise.ldschurch.org, you'll go to wise2.churchofjesuschrist.org. If you log into there, use your church credentials to log in, come down to classes. You probably don't have to come down to classes because you're the only teacher that you're going to be able to see, but you may need to select your course. If not, something will come up that looks like this. It'll show you where your course is. You'll have attendance, reading, credit, schedule. Don't need to worry about any of that. Right at the particular second, your students aren't uploaded, but I'm going to get those uploaded through our support specialist or do it myself before tonight so that you can access your students. So what you're going to do is on this bottom left-hand corner where it says messaging, you're going to click messaging, and it's going to come up with an email option to message, and you're going to come down here and select class, and obviously it's just your class. And on yours, you may not have some of these options because I have permissions for all the other classes, so you may just be limited to only have your class, which would make sense. But either way, you're going to click last names right over here, this box. You'll see all your students matriculated and entered into over here. They're not there yet, but they will be. And you'll click on them that you want to send the message to. Obviously put in the subject, whatever email message you want to put there. You can send a link if you wanted to save your slides on like a Google Doc and save it and give it access to the public. Then you can just send a link to that Google Doc to all your students and say click on this link to access the slides. Or you can come down here where it says drag files here. You're going to choose files, and what you'll do is you'll just choose the file, and it'd be easiest just to go up to probably your quick access, right, and choose the file that you just saved as a PDF and choose that file, right, which is what I would do if I was in this case. I'd open that file, it's going to choose it, and so you'll see it uploaded right down here, and then you can send it. Now if you wanted to text message students that have text messages or their numbers in there for text, you're going to have to send that by a link, and so maybe have a Google Doc to send it by a link, and then once you do that, you'll just hit send, and it should send to all those students whose emails are included. So again, you're going to see all the students' names listed here right now. They haven't been lettered in your class. I'm going to go ahead and do that for you really quick, or have Bianca or somebody do that for you really quick to make sure it's accessible. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, just text me or call me or Mike. Either one of us, we'd be so happy to help. Good luck.